Once you have placed an order, you should receive an email confirmation to let you know that your order has been received. You can also find all your orders on your dashboard under the orders section. So over here you can see a few of my past orders. This one was refunded. This one was cancelled, which means the system timed out before I could check out. And this one is processing, which means the order is being prepared. You can see the order number on the left-hand side. So this is order number 2351, and it was placed on the 12th of February 2021. I'm going to open up this order and take you for a walkthrough. So order 2351 placed on the 12th of February, and it is currently processing. At the top, you will see a bunch of order updates. You will receive order notifications on these. These are all placed on the order notes by the seller. So this order was received on 16th, even though I placed it on the 12th, and they started preparing the order on the 16th, and they also sent it. It was ready for pickup. And then they later added in shipping details because they were going to ship my order. So I now have my shipping details, but I still haven't received my order. So if I were to receive it, the status would be completed. But I can go ahead and track that on Australia Post using that shipping number. So any updates that are put in the system by the seller will be sent to you via email, but you can also view them in your order. So I can go ahead and see the items that I've purchased and the vendor that I purchased it from. If you want to contact a vendor straight after you've purchased an item and you wish to make changes, I would suggest opening up their page and getting a hold of them through the support number. So I'll go to Go Support, add item to order, and I'm going to choose my order, which is 2351, and I'm going to make a note. Please add extra item, and then submit. That will create a ticket, and it will be fully traceable next to your order. So if we head back to the order over here, you'll be able to see your payment method, how much you paid, and where your item is going to be shipped to.